Hey guys, I wanted to share this delicious recipe of my favorite cookies. And these, it's like the best. And I make a whole big batch and then I freeze them. And I'll let you know how you freeze them a little later. So to that we're going to need some room temperature butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, egg, vanilla, flour, cornstarch, baking soda, salt, dry cranberries, and you can use white chocolate chips or you can use any chocolate chips. White chocolate chips with cranberries is the bomb. Give it a try. And I can also suggest you add in some nuts, cashews. It's like the best, cashews. Or use any of your favorite nuts. It's really awesome. So to that, we are going to be grating or just throwing in our butter. And so butter and 2 kinds of sugars go in here, beat it up until it's nice and fluffy and airy. And once we've done that, we are gonna add in the next ingredients, which is the egg and vanilla, and let it beat it. And in the separate bowl, you want to whisk the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt, and then you want to place them in here all at once. So that's where I'm putting in the dry ingredients. We're going to whisk or mix that until it's combined. Once it's combined, we're going to add our goodies. So whatever flavorings you want, add in here. Peanut butter cups, go for it. So anything. So really good combination is chocolate chips, cranberries, and some nuts. This is good combination too. Just saying, you know. And then we want to mix this up. We're going to refrigerate, put in plastic food wrap, and then refrigerate for 2 hours. So once it's been refrigerating for 2 hours, you can separate the cookie doughs and put them in the freezer, and then take them out and put them in the bag and keep them in the freezer. But we are gonna bake them because we cannot wait to eat them. So this came out, as you can see, it's so hard now. So let it stand about 10 minutes or so it can kind of soften up, so it'll be easier to put them on baking sheets. So in here you can either just butter the baking sheet or you can put parchment paper, which is always awesome, less cleanup. So, and then just put them on baking sheets. Bake them on 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's lightly golden. Do not get tricked. It will look like it's still completely raw, but it will harden as soon as it comes out and it cools off. Trust me. It's gonna look like it's still raw and look like it's still soft, but that's how it's gonna be. So it has cooled off and everything. That's how our cookies look. Yum, yum, yum. I recommend, please make them. Share with your friends. Send this video to your friends. If they love cookies, please like and subscribe. You know we always love more subscribers, more sharing, more caring. And yep, it's like you can make so much different combinations. Share, comment below what's your favorite combination of cookies with plain original cookie dough. What is your favorite addings? I want to know so I can share and make. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.